Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. If you absolutely love coding with AI, but hate hitting a paywall, well, you're exactly in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step workaround from our source material that actually lets you use premium Claude models totally for free. We're going to do this using a really clever local server setup called Omni Router. By the time we wrap up this explainer, you're going to have a fully functioning, unrestricted AI coding environment running right on your own machine.
Let's be honest for a second. We all know the universal pain point here. You're in the middle of a complex project, the code is just flowing beautifully, and suddenly, bam, you hit a strict API limit. It's the worst. Or maybe you're just exhausted from shelling out your hard-earned money month after month on expensive AI subscriptions just to get your basic work done. It is incredibly frustrating to have your creativity and productivity capped by a paywall. Okay, let's dive into this because honestly, the choice here becomes a total no-brainer. On one hand, you've got the traditional paid subscription model. It's expensive. It enforces super strict usage limits, and you are totally locked into a single provider. But on the other hand, the free local Omni Router setup we're building today is 100% free, offers unlimited time, and hooks you up with over 200 different providers. It literally just removes the restrictions altogether.
So here is our quick roadmap for today. First, the subscription problem. Second, prerequisites and installation. Third, setting up Omni Router. Fourth, connecting the provider. Fifth, creating a model combo. And finally, number 6, running Claude Code. Let's get to it.
All right, section 1, the subscription problem, the cost of AI.
Right, in the source material, there's this really fantastic live demo, and it completely validates this entire process before we even have to get into the technical weeds. Basically, the host runs the Omni Router server in the background and opens Claude Code in the terminal. They simply type hi, and the system responds beautifully. When asked which model it's actually using, the terminal confirms it's running the Claude HQ 4.5 model. It works perfectly, and it really proves that after today, you absolutely won't need to purchase that Claude Code subscription anymore.
Moving on to section 2. Prerequisites and installation. Let's start laying the foundation. First things first, you're going to need Node.js. Just head over to the official Node.js website and grab the correct version for your operating system. Whether that's Mac or Windows, it works perfectly for both, no worries there. Once that's installed, you need to open up a fresh, brand new terminal window. Think of this terminal as your command center for the rest of the explainer.
Once you're inside that fresh terminal, just run the command node-v. It's a super simple step, but it ensures that you actually have the latest version of Node successfully installed and recognized by your system before we start installing our server packages.
So the crucial point is this command right here. You'll literally type npm install-g Omni Router. Running this global npm install command is kind of the magic key here. It takes the Omni Router server software and installs it directly onto your local machine. This is exactly what frees you from relying entirely on a paid web interface.
Okay, section 3, setting up Omni Router. Time to configure the local server.
So you'll start by launching the Omni Router server by simply clicking or running it, which pops open a localhost interface right there in your browser. Right off the bat, it might ask you to reset or add a password. You'll actually get a prompt in your terminal to do this, so just follow it and add a new secure password. Once you're inside the interface, navigate over to your API settings. If you see an old API key in there, just delete it. You want to create a brand new API key. You can name it something super simple like text, and then copy that exact key and save it securely in a notepad file. Trust me, we will absolutely need that notepad file later. Which brings us to section 4, connecting the provider. Let's link an AI brain.
For this particular setup, we obviously want access to the absolute latest Claude versions. So we're going to use a provider called Antigravity. In your Omni Router interface, just find Antigravity and click Add Connection. It's going to ask you to log in with your Antigravity account. Now pay close attention to this part. When you log in, copy the URL it gives you, head back to Omni Router and paste it right in. You might actually see a pop-up block error or some kind of connection warning appear on your screen. Do not panic. The source specifically notes you should safely ignore this error and just click Connect anyway. It will go through for sure.
And this brilliantly illustrates the true power of what we're actually building here. Once Antigravity is fully connected, you can just click on the free-only filter. Look at this incredible roster of premium models now available to you at literally zero cost. You get Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6, Flash models, and even Gemini models. You've essentially just built your own personal AI Avengers team right at your fingertips.
Next up is section 5, creating a model combo. This is how we build a safety net.
Back in Omni Router, navigate over to Combos and click Create New Combo. Go ahead and give it a memorable name, like, say, Auto Claude IQ. Make sure you select Free and choose our new anti-gravity provider. Now, instead of just picking one single model, you're going to hit Browse and select multiple models. You can actually add up to 15 of them. You're essentially building a massive backup team for yourself.
Now, while you're setting up this combo, you're going to see an option for priority and something called round robin. Guys, this is literally the ultimate hack. Round robin is essentially a fallback setting. It means that if your first choice model suddenly encounters an error or hits a temporary limit, the system doesn't just crash your code. No way! It automatically and seamlessly switches to the next backup AI model in your list. It ensures continuous, uninterrupted coding without those annoying API rate limits stopping your workflow. It's incredibly smart.
All right, Section 6, running Claude Code. Let's move to the grand finale and see how this all builds together.
Remember that notepad where we saved our shiny new Omni Router API key earlier? Go ahead and open that back up. You're going to take the default start command for Mac or Windows, which you can easily find in the sources documentation, by the way, and you are going to carefully swap out the standard Anthropic keys and token names with the custom Omni Router API key you generated. You are basically rewiring the software to look at your free local server instead of Anthropic's paid servers.
Okay, so clear your terminal so you have a nice clean workspace and paste that entire newly modified command right in. Hit Enter. It's going to prompt you to trust this folder. You will confidently select Yes. Once you do that, you'll actually see Claude Code successfully boot up right there locally. You are now officially running the software through your free model combo.
I absolutely love this takeaway from the source material. Now you can create any project for free. That is essentially the core promise of today's explainer realized. You finally have the power to code anything, anytime, without ever worrying about subscription paywalls or API limits abruptly shutting you down. And remember, you can find all the specific terminal commands we referenced today right in the description of our source materials.
Which actually brings me to a really important question for all of you. What project are you going to build first now that you have unlimited AI access? Go ahead, try this setup out, jump into the comments, and let us know exactly how this workaround performed for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy limitless coding!